quick and easy stir-fry beef and veggies.
First garlic. Crush your garlic so we can get more flavor out of it. And then we chop garlic. Chop them real fast. Faster. Faster. And voila! Garlic is done. Next up is carrots. No peeler needed.
Wow!
Then we cut the thin slices so it cooks easily. Carrots are done. Next, we'll cut our bell peppers. Nope, it's
Capsicum.
again with thin slices. And
Capsicum.
is done. Next up is cabbage. Let's remove the core. Don't like that. Thin slices for this one. Last one is beef. Let's cut it to thin strips. We're all set. Heat up your pan and add your butter. Careful not to burn your butter. Now we add our garlic. Now we add our beef and stir fry. When it's partially brown, we add our carrots. Then we season with pepper. Lots of pepper. Then soy sauce. Then we simmer for a few minutes. Then we add our
Capsicum.
また始まった。
carrots are almost cooked. We can now add our cabbage. Beef is now cooked. You can leave the fire open until your preferred veggie crunchiness. And it's done. Now let's have a taste. Don't forget our
Capsicum. Oishii. Capsicum.